Hello again everyone. Louis Corpuz, Baguio Paparazzi, Beer Below Zero Snapback Cup. We're gonna be walking again from Middle Quarry going to Baguio City Market. Let's go! So this is the shortcut that I'm always walking here from Middle Quarry going to Lower Quarry. So this is the shortcut. Let's go check out the Adidas shoes that I bought in Ukay Ukay. I have a little Ukay Ukay business, so I'll be adding products if you want to buy. So here we are now in Lower Quarry. We are gonna be going up to City Camp. Okay, we are already here in City Camp. City Engineering Office. We're gonna be going there again. Let's go. So we are already here in Baguio City Camp. We'll walk going up there again. Let's go. There's a spa here. Mucho Pan, this is where we buy bread. Still walking, we are now in Legarda Road. That's 5 cents building. It's like a rapper's name. Let's go. We're going to Baguio Public Market. We are now in the famous restaurant in Baguio, Sizzling Plate. That's Good Taste. And behind me is Central Park. So the famous restaurants in Baguio. This is also another famous restaurant, Fortune Hong Kong Seafood Restaurant. So here, beside Pure Gold Burnham. We are already here in Abanao. It's like the old building. That's UCCP School. There's an ukay-ukay here. We are already here in Abanao. We are gonna check out the ukay-ukay. Here, ukay-ukay. women's shorts.
Agrugrugi tayo pa lang ya.